What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today I'm at the Goodwill. Today is Tuesday. It's about 10:30 in the morning. I'm gonna go see what I can find, but before we jump into the video, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. I go to pawn shops, flea markets, thrift stores, garage sales, pretty much anywhere I can go to pick up merchandise to flip and add to my collection. If that kind of content interests you, please, like I said, consider subscribing. Those of you that are subscribed, appreciate you guys watching. Let's get into it. So I'm out here in my truck. Get to cruise out in the truck today. It looks like it's gonna rain. Look at the skies up here. It's pretty dark. Supposedly around 3 or 4 o'clock it's gonna get really nasty. That's what the weather says. Who knows or not. Alright, I decided to flip, so let's flip it back. So you can see I'm wearing my 956 Flips face covering. Like I said, today is Tuesday. We're looking at the racks here. Let's see if we can go find something. I'm gonna pause as soon as I get in because there's a lot of people already here. So I'll just give you a quick glimpse of today's specials for this week's purple, yellow, and green. Quick glimpse of pictures, some shoes. Let's check them all out. Alright, here it's a nice little table. We'll head into the back. Let's go see. Some nice microwave for 20 bucks. Sofa. Let's see what else. Here we are on the toys. Doesn't look like anything new. So far, nothing. I'm gonna head over to the electronics. Nothing in the toys. Sure there aren't.
We already have one.
So I'm gonna pick up this Angry Bird, Lion King, and this little bunny. And that's it, guys. So here's the media section. And I don't see anything new at all. Gonna look through it and see if there's anything. This might be my first and only stop. It's getting dark out there. I did pick up a few more things. Got the Simba, and then there's some stuff in the bag. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll go over it. If at the end of the day, if I don't do any more shopping, we'll go through what I just picked up. Alright guys, so I'm back at home. I didn't go out anywhere else. Weather's been kind of crazy today. It's been dark, and then it's sunny, and it's weird. Tomorrow it's supposed to get even worse. Tomorrow we're supposed to get some really heavy rain. So I just went to Goodwill. Another reason is I haven't been feeling that great, and I've been trying to push myself to get out, but it seems like days go by, it's been harder and harder to fight this depression that I'm in. But hopefully I can kick it in the butt and get out there and do some more videos. I feel like when I do my videos, it helps me out a lot. So anyways, let's get back to the video. Enough about me. Alright, so I ended up bringing home Simba. He's pretty tall. This one was $4. I didn't do any comps on it. I liked it. If it doesn't sell for anything, I'll keep it. I got this black Angry Bird for 74 cents. Purple was on sale today. I got this Easter Bunny, and he sings. It's a Easter Bunny. He was also 25% off, so 74 cents. And then I got some Halloween stuff. 74 cents for this centerpiece. And then these also were 74 cents. There was a bunch of these last time, and today when I went, they were basically gone. So I ended up picking up whatever they had left. I'm gonna sell these probably in bundles. And yeah, so that's basically what I got today. Hopefully tomorrow, I don't think I'm gonna be able to go out with the weather, but I'll try to at least get to Goodwill, maybe a pawn shop or two, and try to push myself out of this funk I'm in. But guys, I appreciate you guys watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please help me out. Let's get this channel, going. I've been doing this for almost 2 years, and I would really appreciate y'all's help. Alright guys, catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.